This is the last of the wing here. No more big old wing on the Nate Rider channel. We're switching things up, making things better. Cannot wait. Got my ratchet on 10 mil. Let's go ahead and take this baby off. You know, I could have spent $400 to repaint my trunk. Probably put me about a month back on my boost. I could have purchased a brand new carbon fiber trunk from True Fiber for $700. Probably put me about 2 weeks back on getting boost. Or I could spend $20 and have all my troubles resolved. Logically thinking, that's the right way to move. To be honest, kind of have to pick my poison here. Do I want the haters hating on a wrap, but I get my boost sooner? Or spending money on more exterior parts and delaying my boost? To be honest, I want to go fast, and I am not waiting no more. I'm not spending any more money on Sally until I get boost. So today we got some carbon fiber wrap, just because there's not really anything that could match the paint of my car, and no way am I going to try to match this black and just have it not match, because it's just gonna look so much worse. The wing is off. You guys love the wing. I love the wing too. I love the wing, and I love it without it. It's still great. I have a new vision for the rear, and I told you guys we have changed the looks on Sally so much, and just wait till we see what we do with this carbon fiber wrap from eBay for 20 bucks. So get this, boys. This wrap I'm gonna show you is 5 feet by 4 feet. So 5 feet long and then 4 feet wide. That's what you are gonna need for this trunk. It comes with scissors, a blade, a squeegee with a nice tip so you don't scratch the wrap, and a wrap for 20 bucks. I'll put the link down in the description if you guys want to go check it out. But first things first, without the wrap, I want to give you guys the condition of my trunk. We have chipped paint here, we have scratches here, we have glue on here, scratches right there, we have more glue and scratch and chip paint here, we have a drilled hole with scratches around. This is where the satellite is. To be honest, I really hate this satellite. It's the worst. If you guys want to take it off, it's really simple. You just pop it right out and unscrew it. And then followed with that, you have more scratches here, more glue, lots of scratches. Basically, my full trunk is ruined, and I'm not going to drive around with plugs right here and just call it a day. That's gonna bug me so much, and that's why I came up with the wrap, and that's what we are going to do right now. We took the wing off, we took the satellite antenna off. We're gonna go ahead and take the carbon fiber deck lid, the emblem, as well as the third brake light, and get to wrapping. Enough talking, let's get right to it. True Fiber carbon fiber deck lid panel, 2005 to 2009 Mustangs, $50 local, $80 shipped anywhere in the US. This is real authentic carbon fiber. First come, first serve. Hit me up. GT emblem finally off. Not gonna sell this, just plasticked it. It's pretty cool though. Third brake light done. All right, here we have it. Debadged, D-light, I get it, delight. No wing, completely clayed wash. This is as best as I'm gonna get it. It's smooth, there's like no, this isn't lifted high enough. So I think the wrap will lay really good on that. But here it is, the before. I also had to take off the diffusers because it was going to get in the way of my wrap. We have it all prepped. Let's get the wrap going and see exactly how this is going to turn out. I have no idea if this is a good idea or not. So during my awesome time lapse, the battery died. Unfortunate, I couldn't get the full install, but I just got done washing her once again. Here is the carbon fiber wrap. Not too bad for the first time. I still have the holes. I need to fix that. If I really wanted to put another wing on here, you can still see the imperfections. I'd rather have that than have all the scratches and chip paint and all of that. Also, I did not want to put this badge back on, but also there were the two holes. If you guys have ever done your badge, your emblem, there are two holes right there and they looked exactly like that. Didn't want to do that. A lot cheaper of painting the full thing and getting body work done for this bad boy. Carbon fiber was good. Let me show you guys actually the comparison between the true fiber carbon fiber. Had to turn the engine off so I could actually think clearly. So here's the true fiber carbon fiber, what it looks like, and then this is a side by side on the wrap and the true carbon fiber. Wrap is a bit darker, the true fiber is a bit lighter, but all in all, I mean, it's a pretty spot-on match if you ask me. Carbon fiber has that reflective gloss on it. Here it is at the angle, and then here it is at that angle. It was pretty smooth, everything went a-okay. I don't know how long this is gonna last me, but honestly, I'd rather have this than to prolong my supercharger. And to give you guys a little update on the supercharger, I actually got 50% off a stage 2 Pro charger. I am getting my hands on it as soon as I can. I just have to finish off paying my laptop and then I will be getting it. So hopefully the beginning of November I will pull the trigger. That is what we are shooting for. I cannot wait for it. Definitely going to be a blast. Also, I had to do a nice wash and clean and all that because I'm going to Mustangs by the Bay tomorrow, which I'll probably post in about 2 days or so. Stay tuned for that one, but she's looking mighty good. Also, we got called out for a race. Sally and I is going to be racing. The call out, you guys are just going to have to stay tuned for that, but we got lots of videos to come. You guys are going to want to stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for your support once again. Here is the eBay $20 carbon fiber wrap. Definitely a lot better than spending $300 to $700 on true fiber or just to paint it back. Give me suggestions on what I should do with these holes. Give me suggestions if I should keep this or if I should just rock the chip paint, scratches, and horrible stuff, because honestly I could just rip it off whenever I want. That is all I have for you guys today. Stay tuned, enjoy the rest of your day, and always rock on, dudes.